Okay, so today we're going to be working on word definitions. There are two versions of the word definition pages in the booklet. So if you have this page, then you're on the right video. But if your page does not look like this, then check out the other video for definitions. All right, so word definitions. We have our four words at the bottom: stress, everyone, feel, and change. All right, so those are our four vocabulary words for this week. And so we are going to match it to these definitions. So first things first, make sure you have these words cut out so you're ready to glue them. Also, please feel free to look these words up in your AAC device. I would think that most of the words, stress may not be in your AAC device, but I think you should be able to find everyone, and you should most likely find feel and change in your device. So definitely look for those words as we go over the definitions. The first word, or the first definition, I'm sorry, says to make different. So which word means to make different? I'll give you guys a moment to answer the question before I tell you the answer. To make different is the word change. Change. Change means to make different. So this shape changed to this shape. Staying home instead of going to school is a very big change. It is very different than our lives before. Our next definition is all people. All people. Which word means all people? And the answer to that is everyone. You see all these people in this little circle? All people refers to everyone. Me, you, your classmates, your mom, your family, your dad, your brothers and sisters, your aunts, your uncles, grandma, grandpa, everybody. Next one. What you feel when you are worried or uncomfortable about something. What word is this? What you feel when you're worried. So keyword is worried or uncomfortable about something. Is it stress or is it feel? This one might be a little tricky. The answer is stress. Stress, if you see this little guy's face, he is not happy. His face is sad because feeling stressed, feeling worried and uncomfortable is not a good feeling. And that means our last word definition, to experience an emotion or sensation, means it's how we feel. So we can feel many different emotions. We can feel happy or sad or silly or tired or what other feelings do we have? Or lazy. Any of those feelings are perfectly understandable with what we're all the changes that we have lately.